It's a banjo-shaped swimming pool, but we don't have a neck for it. It's just round. But with all the rains and stuff, and it got so hot, it was so loud with the tree frogs back there, and they got to mating and carrying on and singing. I guess they sing to each other or something. Anyway, I went out there one morning, and they were piled up on the backs of one another, and it was just awful. And the whole bottom of the pool was black with eggs. They had laid eggs. Well, my wife was raised in West Texas. They don't have frogs in West Texas. So she was taken with all these, and she had a frog rodeo. And she rounded up all those frogs, put them in a jar, and I relocated them. Didn't harm one. So legs weren't big enough to eat.
Davidson County caviar.
Yeah. This is so much fun, but I'm going to stop. I need to play one more, and I'm going to stop. Y'all are great. This is lovely sitting out here playing. You know, the older we get, and we keep every now and then you run into somebody and you make a